Hello everyone. In this video, we'll study Speak Out Elementary, Unit 2.1, Reading and Vocabulary. First, we will read about some social groups and meeting people. Then, we will study vocabulary about activities and do some practice. Finally, I'll suggest some exercises for extra practice. Before reading our text, try to answer this question. What is a good way to meet people in a new city? You can pause the video now and think about it. Alright. We can talk about joining many different groups to meet people in a new city. You can see some examples here. You can join a dance group, a cooking club, a music group, or many other groups and meet new people. You can do different activities in these groups. Now, look at page 18 in your book. What groups can you see in the text? That's right. We can see film group, English-Italian group, and Get Fit group. Now, let's learn more about these groups. Read the first text, Dublin Film Group, and try to answer these questions. What kind of films do they watch? Where do they watch the films? And do they do any other activities? You can pause the video now to read the text and answer the questions. Let's check the answers. They watch different kinds of films, including Hollywood movies and old black and white movies. They watch these movies in members' homes or at cinemas in the city center. They have a coffee or tea before the movie, and also they have a drink or go to a restaurant after the movie. These were the answers for the questions about the first text. Now, let's read the second text, English-Italian group, and answer these questions. How often do they meet? Where do they meet? And what do they do when they meet? Now pause the video, read the text, and answer the questions. Okay, let's check the answers. English-Italian group members meet every week, and they meet in a cafe. When they meet, they have conversations. They read newspapers and magazines. They listen to music and eat pasta. Do you all have these answers? Very good. And it's time to read the third text, Get Fit group. Pause the video again to read the text and answer these questions. What kinds of sport do they do? And when do they play tennis? Here are the answers. They play tennis or football, and they go walking or running. In this Get Fit group, they do all kinds of sport, in fact. And they play tennis every Saturday. Now, let me ask you, which group do you like and why? You can pause the video and answer this question. Now, let's study vocabulary. What activity do you see in this photo? That's right, it's basketball. We say, when we want to talk about the activity, play basketball or maybe watch basketball. What about these activities? How do we say them? Good. We say do homework, go to the cinema, eat a hamburger or maybe eat fast food, and go walking. Do you do all these activities? Great. Let's see some other activities. In this exercise, complete the phrases with the verbs from the box. For example, we say, have a coffee or have fun. Pause the video now and do the exercise. Alright, here are the answers. We watch films or we watch TV. We play tennis or we play computer games. We go running or we go to a restaurant. Be careful. When we want to talk about an activity like running, walking, skiing, swimming, we just say go, running, go, swimming. But if we want to talk about a place like a restaurant, we say go to a restaurant, go to a cafe. Alright? Then we have read newspapers or read magazines. We listen to music or we listen to an MP3 player. We do exercise or we do sport. We eat pasta or we eat junk food. How about these activities? You'll see the answers in the next slide. Here are the answers. We play football. We listen to the teacher. We read a book. Watch DVDs. Have a drink. Eat a sandwich. Do nothing. Go swimming. I'm sure you all have correct answers. Now, in this exercise, I want you to choose the correct verb form from the box for each conversation. In the example, you see phrases with do. I do a lot of exercise and I do nothing. Pause the video now to do the exercise. You can see the answers here. First one is eat junk food or eat a sandwich. Second one is listen to music. Listen to MP3 player. Third one is read books or read newspaper. And the fourth one is watch films or watch DVDs. To practice reading and vocabulary about activities more, you can do the exercises in your supplementary pack. Also, you can go to my English Lab, Unit 2. That's all for this video. Goodbye.